What's going on, y'all? RJ with RJ's Trades. I have 3 stocks this week that will explode. Get ready for this, all right? Before we begin, if you're watching this on Instagram, make sure you leave a like, comment, and share. Watching this on YouTube, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe here, okay? All my links are below in the description. Make sure you join the team. Make sure you follow the Instagram page as well, all right? First things first, man, you always take a look at SPY and QQQ to get your bias, okay? So what we've seen with SPY is every dip has been getting bought. All right, so we have been running high lately, but what you see is every time we start to come down, it gets bought back up pretty fast, okay? And that's important to understand because yes, we do have, we have gaps to the downside and things of that nature, but the number one thing is to not fight the trend, okay? So I'm not going to fight the trend right now until we are proven otherwise. I think we need to just stay bullish overall. Does that mean that we can't drop or things like that? No, but we are going to ride the wave. Okay, the trend is your friend until the end. Okay, so I'm still bullish this week on SPY. We do have a tough resistance, right? So all around this 595 to 600 area is tough. All right, we did open up, at one point we was pretty high off some news and we sold off right back into the range, so it shows you how strong this area is. But there are some stocks with some amazing setups, okay? Let's start with this one. All right, first one I'm going to give you guys is BA. All right, and I'm going to give you guys my favorite one at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay, BA, this is a classic bull flag pattern. Okay, bull flag pattern on BA. You can see this right here. BA has been ripping, right? Since the market rebounded, BA has been ripping. You see the flag here. What does a bull flag tell you? The bull flag tells you that the stock has a high chance to continue to the upside, okay? You have your pole, you have your flag, all right, and you have your breakout, and it actually retested, okay? So we actually even got a retest down here, all right? So I love BA. I think this could be a great play this weekend, maybe even for the summer. I mean, I have some insane targets on BA. If you want to see these targets, make sure you drop down and join the Discord below, man. All right, I got some insane BA targets for the summer if we continue. Okay, play number 2 that I'm going to give you guys. I love this one as well. This is DDOG. All right, Datadog. Okay, Datadog, same thing. We have a bull flag pattern. All right, what does the flag tell you guys? Notice that I do the most basic things. I don't do anything hard. I'm just really good at the basics, okay? A bull flag pattern tells you that a stock has a high chance to continue to the upside, okay? So we're going to take that chance because we know that probability, right? Probability is on our side, okay? So we have the run up, we have the consolidation that formed the flag, and we have it trying to break out, can't quite do it yet, okay? If we are able to break out, especially if we start getting above 118.6 and start to clear 19, get to 120, Datadog will be gone quicker than you can blink, okay? I love Datadog. Also, I'm going to show you guys here something else. Let me give you a quick nugget here. I always take a look at stocks that are in that same sector, okay? See how those stocks are doing. We see CrowdStrike in that same sector. CrowdStrike is at highs, okay? So CrowdStrike could possibly even break out. If CrowdStrike breaks out, I expect Datadog to maybe possibly follow suit, okay? So it's like data, cyber, all of that type of, that type of sector, okay? Now, the final stock that I like, once again, guys, if you watch this on YouTube, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a comment down below where you guys are watching this from. Make sure you guys join the Discord, follow the Instagram. If you want my exact entries, join the Discord below, man. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a lot of game. That's all I ask for in return. My favorite play this week is PLTR, right? So a lot of you love this stock, Palantir. Palantir has been on a tear since last year, right? And it doesn't look like it wants to stop yet, okay? So Palantir, guess what? You have a reoccurring theme here. Notice that every play that I find, I'm finding this on the daily chart, and I'm finding these setups that tell me that the stock can continue in a certain direction. Why am I looking for that? I'm looking for that because my overall bias is bullish. All right. So you say, well, what if these don't play out? What if they don't? Then I'm gonna wait until we get another high probability setup, and I'm gonna play in that direction. All right. Don't overcomplicate. Okay. Here we go. PLTR. Look at this candle right here on the daily. That's an insane daily candle, right at all-time high. Right, old all-time high was around 125. Then you had a 128 level. We got past that and it was gone. Sold off on Friday with the overall market and got bought back up even higher. Okay, so PLTR is number one on my watch list this week. Right, this could be a big breakout. I'm not gonna lie, this could be a big time breakout. So PLTR is my favorite play this week. Bull flat breakout on the daily. It's gonna be in the same week, man. This is my birthday month, man. I gotta go crazy all week. So guys, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, subscribe. These are my favorite places. We're gonna make some money with these, all right? See y'all later. Peace.